Border and this is our first video, and we are opening Kiwi Crazy Banana Surprise.
Because this has 4 flavors and you don't know what is the flavor.
We have our cups here. If it smells, we will tell you.
This
This
is
is
ice
glass.
cream Nestle.
Not a cup.
Oh, okay. It's a glass.
So
Let's
we'll
open it. Oh, there's 4 flavors. This is the original. I don't know, the strawberry and the chocolate.
Okay, I'm gonna slice.
I can't open this.
Oh, this is open now. Oh, oh, it's yellow. I got the yellow one. A banana. I got the yellow one or an original.
I think I got the yellow one or the original.
So I just feel a banana. Ice cream. So wanna eat it. Yummy. So good.
I can feel this. I can feel. Oh, it's original. No.
What
No.
is it, Mama? Is this for me?
Ma. Ma.
What?
So we got the original and it's a banana. Okay. Bye guys. Bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
And then